Well, if you have to hurry, you should go outside. They'll take away points if they think you knew you lose weight.
Over the weekend, I got to do a cheerleading around the cheerleaders, but I thought about getting up in front of real audience. My stomach was the one doing the backflips.
That loser.
Joy? Hey, girl. Hey, proud man.
Randy sent us the postcard saying y'all were having a lot of fun at cheer camp. And Earl, I do not say this enough. You are a douchebag.
Sorry about the camera, Earl. The only thing you do is let me record. You would have been running me to deny this.
Does anybody else know about this?
Next, my name is Earl. Earl snitches to the cops. Now, word is out.
You can't snitch. You know what? Real people, bad people, cops, Al-Qaeda, and then snitches.
Don't be the next. My name is Earl.
Puppy. Good morning, puppy. Bark. Recording the puppy.
Wait, can they stay in here tonight?
Up to your dad. Up to your dad.
They wolf and poop on our floor. That's it. Doug, go bye-bye. They poop. Wolf on it. Look. Doug, go bye-bye. They poop.